魔法公主西西救助篇。
It's so hot. I can't take it anymore. I want cold drinks. But I'm still so hot. Wow, sitting in front of the fan feels so good.
哎呀，啊啾啊啾啊啾啊啾啊啾！
What's happening? I can't stop sneezing. This feels awful. Princess Sisi, I can't stop sneezing. Please help me. Don't worry, little P. We're on our way. Kids, little P needs our help. Let's go. Daffel, are you ready?
噼里啪啦
Magic rescue! Let's go! Little P, are you okay? Princess Sisi, I keep sneezing and sneezing. I don't know what to do. Don't worry, let me take a look. We can't even get close to him. We need to stop those sneezes first. Wait, I've got an idea. Sparkle, sparkle, magic transform. Pew, pew, pew. Got it. The sneezing has stopped for now. Now let's help you feel better. First, let's check your temperature. Oh my, it's 101.5 degrees. Don't worry, little P. Let's take your medicine so you can feel better. Little P, come on, open wide and take your medicine. Yuck, it's so bitter. It's hard to swallow. That's okay. Let's drink some water. It will help you swallow your medicine. And when you're sick, drinking water helps your body feel better too. Your sneezing has stopped. Let's take off the bandage. My nose feels much better now, but I'm getting really sleepy. That's normal when you're sick. When you have a cold, your body needs lots of rest. A good nap can help you recover. Kids, too much ice water and fan air can give you a cold. If you catch a cold, take medicine as the doctor says. Rest well, and you'll get better soon.